This past Saturday, I went to the Cheesecake Factory with my dad, my mom, and 3 friends. It was a lovely experience. Had a nice dinner. Had some macaroni balls and some cheesecake. It was lovely. However, I was subject to extremely awkward conversations between my parents and my friends. In particular, my father and my friend, who shall not be named because I don't know if they want to be named. The reason being that my dad inadvertently made some racially tinged comments, and it was incredibly awkward. And I was kind of laughing to myself because it was, it was just funny to me. So my dad was talking to my friend, and he said, "So, what's your favorite type of food besides Mexican?" And my friend just she starts smiling and just gets very awkward, and it's she's very uncomfortable at this, right? And then she's like, "What makes you think I like Mexican food?" And I'm just like, "Oh fuck." And my mom is just like, "It's because we live in New Mexico." And I'm like, "That fucking save was slick as hell, Mom. Good job." So the moral of this story is don't presume things about people based off their race because, you might make yourself look kind of foolish. And or the moral of this story could be don't take your parents to the Cheesecake Factory. That's up to you to decide.